Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, welcome to the daily videos from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. So today guys, we finally probably could take a look at the in euro currency. So although euro currency doesn't bring right now any good setup for trading, but many of our farmers would like to hear something new on this, what is really going on and what we expect to get on the euro currency. So as we have discussed already, valuable setups that we have on the Great British Pound, on the Canadian dollar, so as we have discussed in the weekly researches, right now we have the time to take a look on the euro currency and discuss some perspective of the euro currency. On the Great British Pound, guys, the double repo pattern that we have discussed in the weekly research started. Now we just need to wait a bit and wait for levels that we have specified for potential entry. Meantime, we will discuss the situation here. So on the euro currency, guys, in general, we have the positive view in the short-term perspective. So, of course, it's unclear what will happen next year, but on the inputs that we have right now, in two words speaking, we think that till the end of 2017, euro currency should show the positive action because we do not expect that Fed Reserve will raise rate in 2017 because we think that the overall inflation pressure in the United States and recent data is still mixed, and Fed Reserve should let United States economy to be hot a bit before starting to press on it with the rate increase cycle. And we think that the major rate increasing cycle will start in 2018. So there may be 4 times Fed Reserve could rise the rate. If, I need to repeat, if overall situation in the United States economy will remain the same as we have right now. So if we will not see any decrease in the pace of inflation, something bad data starts to release. So if everything will stand as it stands right now. That's why till the end of 2017, this will be some kind of vacuum and reassessment of the balance between the euro and United States dollar. From the euro side, we right now see the improving data in the European Union economy. So this is obvious, and all economists right now talk about it. Second, we expect to unwinding of the quantitative easing program. This program should end in December, and this will start to be priced in by the market traders, by the investors, and that will become the backwind for European currency. That's why we think that till the end of 2017, euro currency should show more or less positive action to the upside. So, but in the starting of 2018, if everything, as I said, will anyway, it has been formed, and it's already has exceeded this ABCD ultimate target. What does it mean? Usually, when the market exceeds the 1618 extension on some big chart, it usually could mean that overall this action, all action to the 1618 target could become the single leg. So this is fractals, guys. So when small part is completed, it becomes the minor part of something greater. So that's why this could become the one leg to AB leg, for example, to the upside. Here, I don't want to say that should start right now, but in general, next step should be some deep retracement and then extension. So here we could get some kind of the large ABCD pattern to the upside, something of that sort. That's very probable. Besides, as you can see, market also has exceeded yearly period support resistance one. This is also bullish sign that suggests existing of a strong bull trend and gives the hint that probably this action should continue. Right now, the 114.40 area here, guys, market actually has no resistance. It's already has broken all important levels that could prevent further appreciation. And that reaction, guys, mostly is only on the daily overbought. Nothing else here. No pivots, no fib levels, nothing. No extensions. Maybe minor extension you could find here, some minor swings here. But as you can see, major extension already has been exceeded. That's why here we can't count on the deep retracement. On the daily chart, the oversold level stands at around 1250. That's probably will be the floor for the possible retracement. On the daily chart, we could just take a look to get some hints on the possible depth of the retracements, just to keep an eye on the possible harmonic swings. So you can see, market actually repeats the same swings very often. And if you count this here, from that stop to this level, we should get approximately an area 112.85, 112.87. Other words speaking, the daily chart points that market could retest the previous stop. That will be the depth of this retracement. So that's what we'll be watching for. Anyway, guys, if indeed some strong leg will start to form of this larger hour obesity, here market should form some bearish reversal pattern. Right now, we would not see it. Even quite opposite, we see the accelerations here. Long candle, gap, stands over, tail closing, upward action, thrusting action here again. So no signs yet on the possible reversal. That's why currently we will be focused on just minor retracement. On the 4-hour time frame chart, there's two levels. 113.20. As you can see, first fib level, and market right now is testing both pivots. This is the weekly pivot point. This is monthly July pivot points. Market right now stands at it. If we will get lucky and market will really continue to move lower, then that is the level to watch for. You can see this is a confidence support on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame chart. This reactions from this low, forms from the gap. 12.13, 12.43. And also it's accompanied by the pivot supports one. So weekly pivot support one, monthly pivot support one. So by the daily overbought, maybe we will get lucky and market will show this retracement down. Also, we should not forget about the 50%, because you know that the euro currency is the 50% level is favored, and it stands precisely 1287, 1285. That agrees with the daily harmonic swing. And retesting of this previous stop. This is also possible. So that's why if you're planning some trades, maybe you could watch for 1285 and thinking at the stop area below this confidence support. At the same time, your stop will be below the daily oversold area. That's really very good area to place stop order. But before taking any position, guys, we have to be sure that market will not drop further. So we would not want to see any collapse here. Something just nasty black candle down. This will be the warning sign that we should not go short. We need some gradual action, some kind of maybe even ABCD retracement, something of that sort. That will let you take the position, the possible for the upward action here. So that's our view on the euro currency. As you can see, no really valuable patterns have been formed yet. On the hourly chart, we see just some channel has started down, but actually nothing. Nothing yet to trade here. So let's keep watching and see how market will reach the levels that we have specified. The first eye is on the 1285. This is also the next level to watch for. So let's keep watching how the situation will develop on the euro currency. I think that sooner rather than later we will get some really valuable trading steps here as well.